In today's fast-paced industrial landscape, efficiency and precision are key to staying ahead. That's where RFID technology comes in, revolutionizing the way industries manage operations. With RFID, inventory management becomes a breeze. Automate stock tracking, get real-time updates, and eliminate errors, keeping your operations running smoothly. Streamline your production line by monitoring progress in real time and optimizing workflows for maximum output. Enhance security with controlled access and maintain detailed logs of personnel movement within your facility. All this powered by robust analytics, giving you real-time data for smarter decision-making. At Simpel Techlabs Pvt Ltd, we specialize in delivering tailored RFID solutions to meet your industry's unique needs. From planning to installation and support, we ensure seamless integration into your operations. Ready to transform your business? Contact Simpel Techlabs today, and let's bring the power of RFID to your industry.